Jali radiator covers come with all fixings provided. Let's start by identifying the parts. Here is the side and an upright. Place white cams in the side, all facing outwards. Screw cam bolts in the 5mm holes in both the side and the upright. Next, attach the clip with 16mm pan head screws. Now locate the back rail and top. Place white cams in the back rail and screw cam bolts in the 5mm holes in the top. Fit magnetic catches with 16mm pan head screws. Taking the front panel, attach the magnetic catch plates with 16mm countersunk screws. Next, take the front skirting, which includes 6mm holes for dowels. Longer items may feature a central block. This accommodates another clip fixed with 16mm pan head screws as before. Attach the block with 30mm countersunk screws. Now for the assembly. Locate the uprights and sides together, then lock the cams with a clockwise turn. Repeat for all cams. Use cams to attach the back rail to the top and then the side assemblies. Locate the front skirting with the dowels, then fix with 30mm countersunk screws on both sides. Situate the unit around your radiator. To scribe, first measure the room skirting depth. You can do this by measuring how far the side skirting extends at the front. Now set a compass to that depth. Mark the skirting offset against your room skirting profile. Carefully saw away this area, leaving the side skirting ready to fit. Attach the skirting with 30mm countersunk screws. It's important to attach the unit to the wall. We provide 45mm screws for this purpose, but the best solution will depend on your wall type. Finally, fit the front panel and you're done.